Hi, I'm Max and I'm a biological sciences student interested in preserving our environment. So what are the ways we can be more sustainable? Well, one of those is through our food choices. So we could reduce our dependence on the foods that produce the highest amount of pollutants and carbon dioxide. So you can go to the website Our World in Data, which lists the foods by their carbon dioxide production. At the top of the list with the highest CO2 is beef. So if we could substitute beef for a healthier option, such as a plant-based product, that would be better for reducing emissions. One of the ways over lockdown I've been practicing this is through substituting dairy milk for almond and soya milk, which again don't produce as much methane as CO2 than dairy milk does.
Being grumpy? Hello, I'm Roz and I am the Social Secretary for Food Security and Sustainability. To keep green during COVID, we are concentrating on our food choices. So we are sourcing our food locally, seasonally, and from the smaller farms and businesses. And we are also currently working on a project with some students from the University of Dundee that is proposing a sustainable meal plan for students to follow. And we also like to host open discussions around the subject of food security and sustainability. So if you are interested in that and would like to have further discussions on that, then please do follow our social medias, as well as become a member for free for this semester.